Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's inspired meditation, you are guided to connect with your beautiful, divine nature in order to nurture yourself, to love yourself, to grow your inner light, to strengthen and grow in your beautiful, powerful, divine self as a master creator. And in this meditation, you're guided to acknowledge yourself, to acknowledge that we each have our own journey, our own path to choose, to take, our own speed at which we continue to grow and learn and evolve and become our most divine self. And so we really do step into this place of compassion for ourselves, but compassion for others as well. And we're so thankful in this meditation. We step into deep gratitude for this journey of life. I hope you enjoy this meditation. Please leave me a comment and let me know how this resonated for you. Feel free to share this video, like, and subscribe. Enjoy today's meditation. Welcome to today's meditation channeled for your highest good. Feel free to play some relaxing music, light a candle, set your sacred space, and when you feel ready, turn your outer gaze inward. Close your eyes and notice your breath. We set the intention of allowing this intuitively inspired meditation to serve your highest and best good. We set the intention of deep relaxation, trust, awareness, love unfolding for our highest good. We set the intention of deep healing in order to move us into higher alignment with our highest purpose here on our beautiful planet. Scan your physical body, and as you exhale, release any tension that you notice in your physical body. Relax your palms open. Let your knees just rest and fall apart. Let the tension from your shoulders sink down and evaporate. Let your eyelids become heavy. Thank yourself for showing up here in this moment to nurture the most important relationship you will ever have, the relationship with your inner self. We bring our awareness to our third eye, the space in the middle of our forehead. This place of intuition, knowing, and receptivity. We open our third eye in order to become more aware, receptive in this moment, receiving what it is we need to know, deep wisdom of our beautiful, unique, purposeful self. Take a deep breath into your third eye. As you breathe deeply into your third eye, just imagining yourself just fully washed, cleansed, open, like a waterfall, just filtering and flowing over your body. Releasing this deep breath of your this deep breath into your third eye and visualizing this waterfall flowing over you just allows yourself to release the past, release what you do not need in this moment. For we choose to step purposefully, authentically, and fully forward. We step forward into this beautiful space of our divinity. We remember that we are divine beings. We remember that we are good, we are holy, we are whole. We remember that all the answers we need are found within the wisdom of our own heart space. Take a deep breath into your heart space. As you take a deep breath into your heart space and you exhale, hear and feel the exhale. Become fully present with your breath and with your heart. In your mind's eye, visualize this heart space green, like spring. What does spring look like to you? What green shape or symbol do you visualize in your own heart space? Take a deep breath into this heart space, allowing this green to flow into your bones, your muscles, all the tissues and fibers and fluid of your being. As you exhale, visualize this beautiful emerald green flowing out your pores, out your skin, into the space around you, filling you, surrounding you with love. And in this space of love, open and be receptive. Allow any words of wisdom to float into your awareness, either through a picture or an image or a word or a phrase or just a deep knowing. Allow yourself to be open to receiving the message that you need to hear right now. Bring a smile to your face and the acknowledgement of this beautiful message just for you, coming from your own heart, from your highest self, from the wisdom of your beautiful being. We remember in this moment that we all belong here on this beautiful earth. We are all meant to realize our divine nature. When we pause and we turn inward, We rest, we meditate, we connect, we open. We are remembering and knowing our divine nature. And we practice this daily in order to strengthen our magic, strengthen our divinity, strengthen our creative power. We are all meant to do this. We are all meant to walk this path toward our God light. And as you walk your days ahead, realize and know your own strength through your dedication. You are becoming the very best version of you. In your days ahead, remain in a state of acceptance of others, knowing that we are each in our own place. We are each on our own unique journey. Everyone moves at their own pace, learns at their own pace, grows at their own pace, ready for what they choose to be ready for. And we do not judge, we simply accept that we are all divine beings in a different state of awareness, exactly as it should be in this moment. And so we stay open, we stay compassionate, we stay loving, we stay accepting. We know our power, we take care of ourselves, we nurture this beautiful inner light. We continue to grow and walk, and as we do, we know that by taking care of ourselves, we are taking care of the planet. We are helping others move in the direction of their greatest divinity just by doing it for ourselves. We remember how blessed we are, how beautiful life is. All of it is a gift. Stay here for as long as you need, or when you feel ready, you can begin to move your body, open your eyes, and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes and allow yourself to write, free write, stream of consciousness writing. Allow any words that you need to just flow through you onto your paper. Perhaps you're writing a letter, a love letter to yourself, to humanity, to our earth. Perhaps you are channeling your highest self and continuing to receive the wisdom of your own heart. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing this video and leaving a comment. Much love.